Dividend yield is one of the most common metrics investors use to evaluate how much cash they get back from a stock ownership. Think of yield as the annual return on your investment generated strictly through cash payouts, rather than the movement of the stock price itself. The math is straightforward. You take the total dollar amount the company pays per share each year and divide it by the current stock price. Yield helps you compare income potential across different companies, regardless of how expensive or cheap the individual share price happens to be. Don't confuse yield with total return. Yield only tracks the cash payout, while total return includes both dividends and changes in the stock's price. Different industries have very different yield averages. Mature, stable companies often pay higher dividends than fast-growing technology companies that reinvest their profits. Be careful when chasing the highest numbers. A very high yield can sometimes be a warning sign that the company is in financial trouble. Understanding yield is a key step in building your financial literacy. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning about how your money works.